Aren't you sick of all this clickbait forex trading crap that is out there? I mean, just look at these videos, right? The first one, this 1 minute scalping strategy works every day. No, it doesn't. This 1 hour day trading strategy works every day. No, it doesn't. I believe this guy has actually been found out on a few false trades that he made. Forex strategy that works on every pair. No, it doesn't. There's so much nonsense out there. And in fact, this video was going to be a strategy reaction video, right? And I was going to look at this strategy, the most simple Forex trading strategy that exists. But I got 10 minutes into it and I was just like, this is nonsense. People shouldn't be watching this. And to give you an idea, 259,000 people have watched this and it's got over 500 comments. Now, I'm not picking on this guy, but the stuff that's out there is absolute nonsense. None of these videos will help you become a better trader. I'm not saying there isn't good trading advice out there, but people just keep watching this clickbait rubbish from YouTubers. These are YouTubers and not actually traders. Do you think any of these vids on this page will make you a better trader? Seriously, please tell me. To illustrate my point, like I said, I was going to do a strategy reaction vid, but this is just, I just couldn't. So what I'm going to do instead, guys, is just focus on a few facts about trading that you need to know. So give me 5 minutes of your time and I will break down exactly what you need to know with trading and the charts. It's a lot simpler than you think. So let's dive into the charts and let's take a look. So I'm going to back up what I just said with some live trades taken from our Discord channel, and I'm going to show you how a few simple facts can help you find powerful, high probability trades. The first trade we're going to look at is this New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, and you can see here that it hit target. This was my entry, stop loss, and take profit. I'm going to show you this all on the charts right now. So the facts of the chart that you need to focus on are these, right? Structure and trend, support and resistance, candlesticks and value, and doing this across multiple time frames. So we're going to start with the daily and we're going to look at structure and trend. So none of this is opinion. This is me telling you the facts of the chart. Okay, so we was in a downtrend. And now we have started to range, right? We're ranging from this level of resistance and this level of support, okay? So in a range, we can come from the bottom of the range potentially to the top of the range. Structure and trend, that is a fact. The next one, support and resistance. We are bouncing off an important level of support and we have lots of room to move into before we hit our next key level of resistance. Fact. Number 3, candlesticks. We have had bullish candlesticks bouncing off of this support level. Then we had some indecision, some negative candles. We wasn't sure who was in control, but then bang, we get this very bullish green daily candle, which tells me buyers have taken control. That is a fact. And the last concept is value. And this means, are we trading from an area of value in terms of do we have lots of room to move into? And I also like to look at how close we are to the moving average 20, because this is the mean of the chart. Price wants to retrace to that level. So in terms of how close we are to the moving average 20 and the room we have to move into, we have lots of value with this trade. So structure and trend tick, support and resistance tick, candlesticks tick, value tick. But this is just the day chart, right? We're going to look at multiple time frames because I enter on the H4. So let's go and look at that right now. So by looking at the facts of the daily chart told me I can buy New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Now, all I'm going to do on the H4, which is my entry time frame, is apply the same logic, the same facts, and find an entry. But before I get into it, if I could please ask everyone to subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and please smash that like button. If you haven't already, please come join our free Discord channel, right? I put my trade ideas in there. It's free to join, and you can talk to like-minded traders. Also, guys, please don't forget to check out our website, www.simply-forex.com, if you want access to all of our premium trading education. So H4, I'm looking for an entry, and I'm going to apply these same things. My entry was on the close of this candle right here, this bullish green candle. So at that point, let's look at structure and trend. So we was in an uptrend. We wasn't too sure what was happening with structure here, but then finally it broke these highs and this resistance level with this big bullish candle right here. So structure and trend, we are in an uptrend. Okay. Tick, right? Support and resistance. You can see we had resistance here, but this candle broke a key level of resistance. So tick, right? Candlesticks, we're looking for a bullish candle that tells us buyers are in control. Okay, tick. And again, guys, this is not my opinion. This is not me making things up. This is facts on a chart. Okay. And then are we trading from value? So again, I look at the moving average 20. We're not a million miles away from that. And we have lots of air to move into. So yes, I think there is value in this trade. So there you go, guys. That's why I took the trade, entered here. I put my stop loss below the moving average 20, and I take profit at 1:1. Okay, I always take 1:1, and then I let some profit run, potentially up to these highs. And as you can see, guys, if we play the trade out now, it pretty much hits target straight away. So rather than listening to all of these promises, all of these wild accusations, all of this crap online, I implore you to just focus on these 5 things: structure and trend, support and resistance, candlesticks, value, and do it across multiple time frames. Just focus on these 5 things, and you will find that your trading will start to turn a corner. You will start to understand how to read the charts, and that is ultimately what trading is all about. And as always, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and please smash the like button, and I will see you next time.